Hello, you are welcome to Amponsan Graphics. If today is your first time watching our videos, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. Today in this our new tutorials, I'm going to show you how to blur a background. How to blur a background using Photoshop CC version. How to blur a background like this one, the one you see, like this one, how I did it. So please follow me. Before you can do something like this, you first have to select the place that you want to edit your image. So before you can do this one, you have to go to files and click on new. So here is the place that we customize our size. If you want to customize your size, this is the place that you can use to do it. So here we have width, we have inches, we have height, we have resolution, we have pixels or inch, we have so many things here. So here is my customized size. So here is it 4 by 5. So you click on create. You see something like this. So we have to insert our image. So you also go to the same files again and click on place embedded. Then you click on it. So click on place embedded. Then here is my resources that I use for my editing. Here is the resource. I have so many resources. So here is my pictures. And so I have to select one that I will use to blur the background. So you come here, I want to select a nice picture. So I'll click on this one, and you see here it is. So you have to drag it to fit the full screen of your working place or your working area. So you drag it, then you click on this sign. Okay, so before you can blur your background, after selecting the image, have to go to filter. Click on filter. You have 3D, we have blur. So you want to blur it. So when you click on blur, you will see so many options. We have average, we have blur more, box blur, Gaussian blur, motion blur, radial blur, shape blur, smart blur, surface blur. So we want Gaussian blur, so you click on Gaussian blur. You see. So you place your mouse pointer on this arrow. Then you left click it. So before, now you see here we haven't blurred the picture. So this is the before. Then you drag it. If you want something like this one to give it to you, you see, something like this one, it will give it to you. So now here is it. We have blurred our picture. Here is it. Very simple one. Before, after, and after. Then you click on OK. Now we have blurred our image. Please, if you enjoy these tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe. Like, share, and click on the notification button, and also leave your comment at the comment section. So that whenever or what you don't understand. I'll go through your comments